We are with firmware 1.70.75. We want to schedule a recording. I am going to simply do 4K 30 medium field of view, which will default to wide, hypersmooth on, audio auto, and the delayed starting in 30 seconds time with a 3-second record. That will actually be 5 seconds. I want the camera to turn off. I place in the command explanation 1 capital O. I place my camera. It gives me my start in 30 seconds. It's ready to go. The camera shuts down in 5 seconds. The camera will turn on and give a countdown of immediate to 15 seconds depending on the setting. We're on 4K 30, 6 seconds, press a button to cancel. It will switch to 4K 30 wide, start its recording for 5 seconds. It will then go to a 1-second pause to cancel and then now shut down. Please remember, once you finish with your scheduled recording and the QR program of GoPro Labs, you want to go back into the camera, turn on the camera, swipe down, and you want to re-enable Quick Capture. Quick Capture is disabled, so you do not cancel out the features that are placed into the camera. I hope this video was helpful and you can start to use your camera to shut down correctly, then to wait for 5 full minutes for the auto shut off to happen. Thank you very much.